Nay, happy birthday! Thank you to Lord kasi may panibago ka na namang buhay ngayong taon. And I would like to say thank you to the woman whose strength built my strength and whose love shaped my life. Thank you, Nay, for all your sacrifices throughout the years until now. Kahit na malalaki na kami, you're still there to guide us. And you always cared for us. Thank you so much, Nay, again, for such a model to me. And I always admire you for being a woman of strength and love. I always pray na magkaroon ka na ng mahabang buhay at magkaroon ng kapayapaan palagi ang iyong puso. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Nay. Sana po ay maging maligaya kayo dahil meron naman pong blessing na binigay sa inyo ng Lord na sana po ay bigyan pa kayo ng maraming kaarawan sa buhay nyo. Kami po ng mga anak nyo at mga apo nyo ay lagi lang po naandito na walang sawang gagabay at susuporta sa inyo at magmamahal. Happy birthday po ulit mula sa aming pamilya dito ni Cherry mula sa Australia. Happy birthday po.
At dahil dyan, Nay, yung mga kaibigan ko po, binati din kayo ngayong araw.
May extra greetings pa po kayo.
And I am sure na matutuwa ka, Nay, kapag nakita mo tong videos namin, especially for you. So watch, Nay. Love you, bye!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Nanay. Please take care po. I love you.
Hello po, Nay. Happy birthday po. Good health po. More blessings.
Happy birthday, Nay. We love you. More birthdays to come.
From your favorite manugang.
Robert Manuga.
Happy birthday po, Nay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Nay. More birthdays to come. And nagmana talaga sa inyo si Cherry.
Pare-para sinasabi din, di ba?
Happy birthday po, Nay! More birthdays to come! Happy birthday po, Nay! God bless po!
Mother, happy birthday! Huwag kayo mag-alala kay Cherry. Healthy siya dito. Alagang-alaga ni Mike. Happy birthday!
Nanay.
Happy birthday po.
Nanay.
Nanay.
Nanay.